The main objective of the 4 Steps project is to support the successful RIS-3 implementation, applying the Industry 4.0 and its thematic pillars to all the industrial sectors identified by the 7 Central European regions involved in the project. In a joint collaboration, the 4 Steps Consortium has already achieved numerous outstanding results. Let's see the blue columns, where the proportion of companies are shown who are currently using or offering the specific Industry 4.0 technologies. The green figures are revealing the ratio of SMEs who are planning to use or offer the Industry 4.0 technologies in the near future. In the last year of the 4 Steps project, project partners will be conducting their pilot actions